Welcome everyone. We are discussing integration by parts or product rule of integration. I have already taken 2 classes to this chapter. This is my third class. Today I will discuss two important integrals. Integration of e to the power x cos bx dx, e to the power x sin bx dx. So two functions, one is exponential, another is cos bx. We have already discussed that if both are integral and if we take derivative of any one, then it is not finishing in any step. Then we can take any one of the function as first function, and we have to perform repeated integration. In this case, we are getting the integral for repeated integration, and that is why we take this as integral I. So I equals to e to the power x cos bx dx. So suppose cos bx, this is first function, this is second. We can take any one as first or second. So cos bx unchanged, and e to the power x, integration is e to the power x by a, minus derivative of cos bx minus b sin bx, integration of e to the power x, e to the power x by a dx plus c1. So 1 by a, e to the power x cos bx dx plus b by a, e to the power x sin bx plus c1. So look, here we are getting again integration, and you have to use integration by parts again. So this is second function, this is first function. So I equals to 1 by a, e to the power x cos bx dx, cos bx, not dx, sorry, plus b by a, then integration by parts, sin bx unchanged, e to the power x by a, integration of e to the power x, minus integration derivative of the first b cos bx, integration of the second function dx plus c2. Suppose this one is c2, c1 plus c2, you can take c1 plus c3, that is c2. One more integration. So 1 by a, e to the power x cos bx plus b by a square, e to the power x sin bx, minus b by a into b by a, b square by a square, e to the power x cos bx plus c. Now I have already stated, for repeated integration we will get the same integral. So look, this is same integral. That is why we are considering this as I. So I equals to e to the power x by a square LCM. So we are getting a cos bx plus b sin bx minus b square by a square into I plus c1. So we have to find I. Therefore I common 1 plus b square by a square e to the power ax by a square, a cos bx, b sin bx plus c1. Now what is I? You have to divide throughout by this one. So I equals to, so a square cancel, e to the power ax by a square plus b square. If you simplify, a square will be cancelled out, and this is a cos bx plus b sin bx. C1 by this constant, suppose this is c. So what is I? I equals to what? Integration e to the power ax cos bx dx. So this is I. So look, e to the power ax cos bx, e to the power ax by square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. If it is cos, both term is plus. If it is sin, one is positive, another is negative. So, if we get integration involving exponential function and cosine or sine function, we always use this as I, then perform repeated integration. And after second time of integration, we are getting the same integral, that is I. Simplifying, we get result. So you have to remember the process. So if it is board problem, suppose e to the power ax, e to the power x cos x dx, and if it is 4 marks problem, you cannot use the formula directly. So in this case, you have to write this as I and integrate it by parts. Then you get result if it is 4 marks problem. But in case of application, you can find the result, you can put the result directly. Then application. Now application of this result. So e to the power ax, exponential function and sine or cosine function. You can apply this result. E to the power x cos square x, e to the power x sine cube x dx. So they are of same type. So look, suppose problem number 1. So here it is given in product form. So we know e to the power ax cos e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x, 2 cos a cos b. So cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So product form. So we can write it as sum. So half into e to the power 2x cos 6x dx plus half into e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. So it is of form 1, it is of form 1. So put the value half e to the power 2x by a square plus b square. A is 2, so 2 square plus 6 square. Then a cos, a means 2, 2 cos 6x. What is b? B is 6, 6 sin 6x. And half into e to the power 2x by a square plus b square, 2 square plus 2 square. What is a? 2 cos 2x plus, what is b? B also 2 sin 2x plus c, using formula 1. Now if it is board's problem, so look, You can put the value directly if it is of application form, and if it is only single e to the power x cos or sine, then we consider the previous one if it is 4 marks problem. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, they are of same type. So look, problem number 3. E to the power x sine cube x. So sine cube x, we express it in terms of multiple angle. So you know sine 3x, 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So 4 sine cube x, 3 sine x minus sine 3x. So this is 1 by 4, 4 sine cube x. It is 3 sine x minus sine 3x. So this is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, e to the power x sine x dx minus 1 by 4, e to the power x sine 3x dx. Now it is of form number 2. Apply formula directly because it is application. So e to the power x by a square plus b square. A is 1, b is 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. A sine bx. So this is sine x. B also 1 minus cos x. Minus 1 by 4. So e to the power x by 1 square plus 3 square. Then a is 1. So sine 3x minus 3 cos 3x plus c. So you know if it is square cube, then you have to express it in terms of multiple angle. So this is of 3. Application of formula number 1 or 2. Now 4. Sin x log x base e dx. So argument is not linear. So put a transformation. Log x equals to z. So x equals to e to the power z. So dx equals to e to the power z dz. From property of log, this is x equals to base to the power right hand side. Now this is sin z, and what is dx? E to the power z dz. So e to the power z sin z z. So use of formula number 1. E to the power z, 1 square plus 1 square. A is 1 into sin z minus 1 into cos z plus c. So e to the power z by 2 sin z minus cos z plus c. So e to the power log x, base is 2, sin log x minus cos log x plus c. So what is e to the power log x? E to the power log x is x. X by 2 sin log x minus cos log x plus c. So we are getting answer. Now I have told repeatedly that if it is 4 marks problem, then to solve only one form of e to the power z sin z or e to the power z cos z, we take this as I. Give the proof of the result. Next, look, 5 x square e to the power x cube cos x cube dx. So look, argument is x cube. So we put a transformation to make it linear. So let x cube equals to z. So x square dx dz by 3, 3x square. So e to the power z cos z, it is dz by 3. Now 1 by 3 e to the power z cos z dz. So 1 by 3 e to the power z by 1 plus 1. A cos z, a is 1, b also 1 plus c. Put value of z. And you give proof of this if it is 4 marks problem. So very simple. So problem number 6. So cos square log z. So we have already solved this problem, this type of problem. Log x equals to z. So x equals to e to the power z. So dx equals to e to the power z dz. Now look at the problem. Integration cos square z. What is dx? E to the power z dz. So half of e to the power z 1 plus cos 2z dz. Now half e to the power z, and this is of standard integral 2. So put the values and you get result. And finally, problem number 7. Two to the power x cos square x dx. So half into 2 to the power x 1 plus cos 2x dx. So half into 2 to the power x dx, half into 2 to the power x cos 2x dx. Now this is half of 2 to the power x by log 2, and suppose this is half of I. So you have to calculate I. So one is exponential, another is cosine. So you try to prove it. 2 to the power x cos 2x dx by integration by parts. So you know this is first function, this is second function. Then cos 2x unchanged, 2 to the power x by log 2 minus 2 sin 2x, 2 to the power x by log 2 plus c1 dx. So 2 to the power x by log 2 cos x minus plus 2 by log 2 to the power x sin 2x dx plus c1. So exactly same that of original one. So 2 to the power x by log 2 cos x cos 2x, 2 by log 2, again integrated by parts. So sin 2x unchanged, 2 to the power x by log 2 minus integral of derivative of sin 2x, 2 cos 2x, integration 2 to the power x by log 2 dx plus c2. Now from the first two, so 2 to the power x by log 2 into cos 2x, 2 to the power x by log 2 whole square, then 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x minus, this is minus 2 by log 2, this is also 2 by log 2. So 2 by log 2 whole square integration of 2 to the power x cos 2x dx plus 2. Now look, I have already stated you will get the same integral if it is exponential and cosine or sine. So transferring this term to left hand side, what we are getting, look, I common, this is 1 plus, this is I, omitting one step, 2 square by log 2 whole square, omitting one step, this is I. So 2 to the power x by log 2 whole square common, 2 to the power x by log 2 whole square common. So log 2 into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x plus c2. Now dividing and taking LCM, what is I? Log 2 whole square is cancelled. 2 to the power x, log 2 whole square plus 2 square. And this is log 2 into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus 6. So exponential function, so 2 to the power x, this is also exponential function. So this is our result. So 2 to the power x into cos x dx. So you can write also as e to the power log e 2 to the power x. This is 1 and this is cos 2x. Cos x dx, alternative form. So e to the power x log 2, x log 2, cos x dx. So e to the power ax cos x dx. So what is a? Log 2. Now it is of form 1, you can put the value directly. So today, through this video, we have learned how to find product of integration of exponential function and cosine or sine function. So considering this as I and taking repeated integration, we get these two standard results. So you solve similar like problem using these two results. So thank you for today.